We love a good versatile full protective style, and this unit gives you the best of both worlds. Whether you want to rock it straight out of the pack, fluff and go, or if you want a super defined look, the possibilities are there, and HerGivenHair has you covered. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, the Kizme, and I am back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this gorgeous unit that I am rocking from HerGivenHair. And one thing we want to start off this video with is the fact that this unit is literally a throw it on and go unit. The name of this unit is going to be the Shake and Go full wig. I do have it in 18 inches, and the color on this unit is going to be in this coffee bloom color. The texture is in a quality texture, and the density on this unit is gonna give you volume because it's at 150% dense. Now, just want to point out that, y'all, one thing about this unit is that once you pull it out of your package, this is what you're gonna get. And once you fluff it, get that pick out, this style right here is like the ultimate perfect volume curly style, and I love it. Wanted to be known that, y'all, this is the hair straight out of the pack, nothing else done to it, no product, no nothing besides my good old handy pick. We love a good pick, and I love the fact that this one right here got the stamp of approval. Yes, we love that for the culture. I just went ahead and just picked this out as you saw on camera, and this is the unit in its natural state. Gorgeous, okay, super gorgeous. It is full, it is thick, it has the volume. Y'all see the color, and then the way that HerGivenHair already pretty much shape the hair. I love that little C shape that we get with units, so that way you don't have to worry about bringing out the scissors either. Like, everything is already done for you. This is the ultimate throw it on and go unit. I wanted to show y'all though how it looks in its natural state if you wanted to wear it combed out. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go ahead and wet it and define the curls. I'm gonna do a side by side, wet versus dry, so you can see exactly how the curls literally transform with this unit. But so far so good, because I was literally rocking like this. I mean, the color, the curls, the volume, it is just everything. But let's get into the rest. All right, so moving into the second portion of this style, I did go in off camera and wet one side so you can see the difference between the two. We are going to be using the products that I am popping up on the screen, and when I tell you, these products work amazing with this hair, okay? You definitely want to make sure you pairing a mousse and the gel, because the gel kind of helps the curls last for a long period of time. If you use the mousse, I feel like it only lasts for just that day. The gel is just going to give you the longevity that you're looking for, so that this can be a style that you don't have to style every single day. One thing I want to say that I love so much about this unit is that you can literally take this unit on and off. Once you define the curls and you get it the way that you would like it, you are going to be good to go from there. It's easy, it's fast, it is seamless, and then it gives you that real scalp at the top as well. And with the bangs in the front, it helps definitely with my girls like me that don't like lace like that. It's like the lace is cool, but I like to give like that natural effect without having my leave-out out, because you know, leaving the leave-out out, you got to do too much sometimes, and we want a full protective style. So this unit literally gives us everything we want and more. the hair is all dry, defined, and curly. It is gorgeous. The color on this unit is literally everything. Now the bangs, I don't like when it's like gapped up like that, so like let me fix that real quick. This is going to be the completed look. The hair is all dry. One thing I can say is that I didn't have to fluff it out that much after defining the curls. I don't know if that has something to do with me fluffing it out with doing this side-by-side comparison. But one thing I love about this unit, it is a full protective style. As you can see, no hair left out. It's not one of those like half wigs where you have to leave any of your edges out, nothing. All of my hair is tucked away inside of this wig cap and then up under this wig. And the fact that this is like the ultimate throw it on and go unit, once you have it already defined, the curls defined, they should last at least a week, especially with those products that I popped up on the screen. Those products together, literally chef kiss. There's no crunch to the hair. The hair is still super soft. It is bouncy. It is flowy. We still have the volume, the luster that we look for in our units. I mean, it gets no better than this. This is a style that you can rock if you wanted to rock the natural style that you've seen previously. Of course, you can do that. If you want to do a braid out, twist out, you name it, you can do. The only thing I wouldn't do, don't put no heat on this hair, okay? Just rock the curly hair for a reason, okay? We love curls for the girls. Another important thing that I want to point out is the fact that this hair is already pre-colored and it doesn't bleed, y'all. I was able to put water in this hair, drench this hair in water, as y'all saw, and run 2 different products throughout this hair. My hands are clean. My clothes is clean. Like, it gets no better than that. Okay, y'all already know how I do. I'm gonna leave all of the information down in the description box below for you so you can get your hands on this unit. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.